Streamlining email delivery, integrating Amazon SES with Mastodon in Docker. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to Amazon SES and Mastodon. Amazon Simple Email Service, SES, is a cloud-based email sending service designed to help digital marketers and application developers send marketing, notification, and transactional emails. Amazon SES is known for its cost-effectiveness, scalability, and flexibility, making it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. Mastodon is an accessible, open-source social network server based on the ActivityPub protocol. It allows anyone to host their social networking site with an interface similar to Twitter. With a growing community and increasing adoption, Mastodon provides a decentralized alternative to mainstream social networks. Setting up Docker and Mastodon. Installing Docker. Before setting up Mastodon in Docker, you need to install Docker on your machine. Follow these steps to install Docker. Download Docker. Visit the Docker website and download the Docker desktop for your operating system. Install Docker. Follow the installation instructions provided for your operating system. 3. Verify installation. Open a terminal or command prompt and run the following command to verify the installation. Docker version. Setting up Mastodon in a Docker container. Clone Mastodon repository. Clone the Mastodon repository from GitHub. Git clone https://github.com/mastodon/mastodon.git. cd Mastodon. Create Docker environment. Copy the example Docker environment file. cp env.production.sample, env.production. Configure environment variables. Open the env.production file and configure the necessary environment variables, including database credentials and domain settings. Build and start containers. Use Docker Compose to build and start the Mastodon containers. Docker Compose build. Docker Compose upd. Run database migrations. After the containers are up and running, run the database migrations. Docker Compose run rm web rails db migrate. Configuring Amazon SES, creating an Amazon SES account. Sign up for AWS. If you don't have an AWS account, sign up at aws.amazon.com. Open SES console. Navigate to the Amazon SES console. Create identity. Verify your domain or email address by adding a new identity in the SES console. Verifying domains and email addresses. Verify domain. Go to Domains in the SES console and click Verify a new domain. Follow the instructions to add the DNS records to your domain. Verify email address. Go to Email addresses and click Verify a new email address. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Setting up credentials. Create IAM user. Create a new IAM user with SES permissions. Generate access keys. Generate access keys for the IAM user and note them down. These keys will be used to configure Mastodon. Integrating Amazon SES with Mastodon. Configure SMTP settings. In the any.production file, add the following SMTP settings for Amazon SES. cmcp_server equals email cmcp.useast1.amazonoz.com. cmcp_port equals 587. cmcp_login equals your _say_smcp_username. cmcp_password equals your _say_cmcp_password. cmcp_ from _address equals no reply at yourdomain.com. Restart Mastodon. Restart the Mastodon containers to apply the changes. Docker Compose restart. Testing and troubleshooting. Verifying email delivery. Send test email. Log into your Mastodon instance and trigger a test email. For example, password reset, to verify that emails are being sent via Amazon SES. Check SES dashboard. Monitor the SES dashboard for email sending statistics and verify that the emails are being delivered successfully. Troubleshooting common issues. DNS configuration. Ensure that your DNS records for domain verification are correctly configured. IAM permissions. Verify that the IAM user has permission to send emails via SES. SMTP settings. Double-check the SMTP settings in the env.production file for errors. Conclusion and next steps. Integrating Amazon SES with Mastodon running in Docker enhances the reliability and deliverability of your emails. This podcast covered Docker and Mastodon setup, Amazon SES's configuration, integration steps, and testing. For further customization and development, consider exploring additional Mastodon features, optimizing SES configurations, and enhancing the security of your setup. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.